Hello, my name is Tori, and I'm a cast from the Big Bang Theory, and this song is one of my favorite songs. It's called Soft Kitty. 1, 2, 3. Soft kitty, one kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr. And this is my new cat. His name is Lily. He's 4 weeks old, and he bags, he purrs, and sometimes he wags.
Ooh.
And we have this special treat for you guys. There's this one girl, like she has to sing. It's like a little key song. Hello, my name is Lily, and I'm 4 weeks old, and I love to wag my tail, and I love to use my paw, and then I love to scratch my fur, and I did that too. And what about you, Tori? Well, every time I thought kitty, you make me so grown up. That makes me feel inside. Meow, you're my best friend too. Oh, we love you too. Okay, that's another show. Bye-bye.
Bye, Tori.